Hi, I'm Jasmine, and today we're gonna be making a copycat version of one of your restaurant favorites, Panda Express's orange chicken. We do have some Panda Express orange chicken right now, right here. Let's give it a try. Phenomenal. Let's make this. Flour, cornstarch, salt and pepper, an egg, sparkling water. This is gonna help crispify and bring all that air into your batter, and sesame oil. I have sliced up this boneless chicken thigh, skinless.
The saran wrap's the hardest part.
All right, it's been 30 minutes. Let's get to frying. We have our oil at 350, and we're gonna be working in batches. Now let's make the sauce. We'll start with some oil, chili flakes, garlic, and ginger. White sugar, brown sugar, orange juice, rice vinegar, and our soy sauce. While this is getting heated, we're gonna make our cornstarch slurry, just combining equal parts cornstarch and water. Stir it up. This consistency looks beautiful. Let's go ahead and add back our chicken. No one's soft. Compliments to the chef. Flavor-wise, honestly, pretty comparable. I think the biggest difference is that the copycat recipe, you can taste the garlic, you can taste the ginger. The ingredients are fresher, the chicken is tender, juicier. All right guys, that was so much fun. Obviously both very delicious options. And if you want to find more delicious recipes from some of your favorite restaurants, make sure to check out these books linked in the description or on Amazon. Bye.